Good morning, scientists. It is Wednesday today. Wednesday, my dudes. It is January 18th, and we are going to continue on with our lab day today. So let's take a look. We'll start off with our lucky bucket. We'll get into our chemical physical change lab day number 2 today. We have a do now question. We're going to talk about that law of conservation of mass. If you were here yesterday and you started the lab, 12A and 12B was all based on the law of conservation of mass. So what we're going to do is dive in a little bit deeper with the law of conservation of mass. And the idea, again, is that phrase, matter can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So mass is neither created nor destroyed in ordinary chemical and physical changes. So here's an example. Ms. Anderson talked multiple times about starting a fire. So you have the log plus the fire, and then that equals the products of ashes and smoke and gases that are given off. So matter can neither be created nor destroyed, which Mr. Albert Einstein came up with that idea of conservation of mass. We have a short video that we'll watch, kind of just to regroup and refresh on chemical physical changes and the law of conservation of mass. And then we will get right into the lab for the day. So you are at home. You might have matches at home, but I don't want you lighting matches on your lonesome. So we will just get you caught up when you get back. But you could go through this and finish up the stations just by looking at them. You kind of have an idea. So station 1 is lighting a match. Station 2 is melting ice. Station 3 is a paper airplane. Station 4 is chewing food. You can always pause the video during this and fill in your sheet. Grinding chalk, chalk and vinegar. Digesting food, just go into the kitchen, grab something out of the pantry, and eat it quick. Rusting nail and acid and vinegar. Dirty penny, a browning apple. Baking soda and vinegar, and baking soda and vinegar. That one might be a little bit more difficult because you don't have the items to find masses and stuff. However, you should be able to fill out your sheet with just by looking at the stations and pausing the video as I go through. And then with any time left over, we're going to work on our study guide, which again is something that you can be working on at home as well, so that when we get our test, you are ready to rock and roll and be done with everything that you need to be done with. Reach out with questions. Have an amazing day. Be kind. Take care. We'll see you when you get back.